Hello, good morning from Nathgaon, Raigad, Maharashtra. Today we are going to Kashid Beach. So Kashid Beach is here like 7 kilometers, and from Nathgaon, so Murud is like 2 kilometer, 7 kilometer very. So today is Saturday. I think the local told us there is a rush, so much fun there. So let's go there. Kashid Beach. Okay, thank you. Hello, bro. Hey. I think we are here in Kashid Beach. Look at these stars. Is this the point? Yeah. ठीक है भाई. So we are here in Kashid Beach. Wow, looks great. I have to give him money. So I gave 100 rupees. We'll give 40 rupees back. हाँ 10 और
छुट्टा नहीं
हाँ इधर हम कैसा छुट्टा नहीं यार, प्रॉब्लम करते हो यार. हम तो बजट ट्रैवलर है ना.
छुट्टा नहीं
है कि 10 इधर का है. हमने कैसे 10 मेरे पास है कुछ
छुट्टे नहीं है ना
20 है 20
भी नहीं छुट्टा नहीं हो
ओके ठीक है बस 30 rupees together 70 rupees. Okay, it says it don't have change, so that's why 70 rupees. So this is the beach. So beach here. So we gave this about it's about 7 to 8 kilometers. 70 rupees. It's good. It's a t-shirt here. Everything. Hello, bro. Wow, amazing place. Kashid Beach. So I'm here at Rohit stall number 21. So going to have a breakfast here. Tea and bada pav. So bada pav is 15 rupees and tea is 10 rupees. So you can have this kind of things to play in this beach. So these are the things you can buy it from for your kids. These are the swimming costumes here. So everything, hat and everything. This is Rohini. So I think she is Rohini cooking there. Even you can buy slippers here. Coconut कितना पड़ेगा वाटर का एक का 50. So you can buy 50 rupees coconut water. So you can buy for this one kids. If you are having kids, you can buy here. इतना का कितना है इसका? Okay, 150. You can buy it here for 150. आपको ये मैं इधर खा रहा हूँ, ब्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ. So very friendly people here. So they told us, so us also. So I'll give them a card. Okay, this is my card. मेरा कार्ड YouTube चैनल का है, आप देख लेना बाद में. इधर मैं खा रहा हूँ, आपका बनाया इधर वीडियो. आपका नाम क्या है?
Sonal Kasar.
So guys, come here. She is very friendly. So you can have something to eat here and then wait. There's a hammock also over there. You can relax here. Hammock, balls and everything here. The kid is relaxing here. Even you can get this ball here. So I'm giving information. Here's also ball. So this is every stall is even they have a changing room. So you can take a bath and then it's changing room is 10 rupees like bucket. It's 20 rupees. I don't know what is the bucket. So they will roaming around here. I'm vlogging. So these are people roaming around for the quad bikes, everything. So this beach is awesome, man. So from Mumbai to Murud, one of the best beach here. So Kasid beach. Your brother name? Your name? Akash bro is friendly. Okay. So can you give me information about this quad bike here? So this is my card, brother. If you like, you can watch me on YouTube. Okay. 600 rupees ride.
सैंड बाइक सर एक का 200 है,
200
डबल का 300,
एक आदमी का 200.
डबल का 300.
Oh, it's expensive maybe as compared to Alibag. Okay, a little bit expensive. What about a horse ride? 100?
नहीं 200.
Horse.
200.
Every ride is 200 here. Okay. So banana ride and other rides
200.
and ski?
Per person 200.
Ski.
Jet ski 300.
Your name, brother? Huh?
Raj Bhoir.
Rat. So very friendly people here. I enjoy here talking with them. So very nice, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the information. I will be having something here in Rohini, install number 21. So I'll have something here. So this is a hammock. So I will enjoy here. So chilling place. Room is I contact them. So I met one Nepali guy who is who make a ride here, quad ride. So he said. So the room information about here. So 2000 he said. So somebody said 1200. So you can here sitting here enjoy this view. So in its install there is a hammock here. Wow, it's wonderful, chilling. So relax, like you know. So I have a tea. It's a 10 rupees everywhere, most of the places. And then this is Bada Pav. Pav means bread with a potato inside. So I'm having this. This is 15 rupees and 10. So altogether 15 is 30 rupees and then 40 rupees. So now I'm enjoying Bada Pav here. Sitting here at 5. introduction.
My name is Mitakshi Rakesh Patil and I will be in Mumbai. I will live in Mumbai and I will come with my family. And how are you feel?
Yeah, what is your? I feel very nice here. One of the best beach here in this area, Alibag area. So this is Khalid
Kashid
beach.
beach.
Kashid beach is one of the best. So you have in your channel, your
My
YouTube channel.
channel name is Sarth Patil.
Okay, I will.
This channel is not mine. This channel is my little brother. And this is also birds and I am also shocked.
About birds. Okay, I will watch definitely. So the channel is about birds.
Yes.
Okay,
But this channel will be only 2 videos because my phone is going water.
So how long it's been now swimming here? I think more than 2 hours you've been swimming here.
Yes, I will come in 8 a.m.
Ah,
and I will go today and I will live here all night.
oh yeah, you will be staying here in a hotel.
No,
Ah,
there is my home.
oh,
In Alibag, there is my home.
okay,
We
okay,
live in there.
okay. And what about your? Do you have a Nepali friend?
Yes,
Yes. Can tell me something name and?
Sanjeev Barat.
Oh no, your friend in Nepal.
My name is Nepal.
Now you tell me that in offline we
Yes,
talk.
yes.
Yeah.
My friend's name is Manoj and Prakash.
So you make them brothers?
Yes,
Yeah.
I will make them brothers and he will also
Feel like a sister.
Yes.
It was nice talking to you. Thank you. Your name?
Mitakshi.
Oh, thank you, Mitakshi. Thank you very much. These are all your very funny.
She is my little sister.
Okay. Your name?
Kritika.
Gritika. Okay, nice. Enjoy the swimming here. Okay. Bye.
1 minute.
Okay. He is calling their your sister in.
This is she is his sister. Means my uncle's sister.
हाँ हिंदी में बात कर सकती है आप अंकल की बेटी
हाँ अंकल की बेटी है और लिटिल है. इससे
आप कितने क्लास में पढ़ते हो
10,
10 ए नमस्ते
7.
हाँ
हाय.
कैसा लगा इधर खासिद बीच
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हाँ पहली बार है
Yes.
ओके यूर ऑल्सो पहली बार ना
No.
यू
I will come many times in this beach.
ओके
On this beach.
Thank you. Bye. I'm here just the last stall here. So nobody is here. So I think I will make some business here. So I'm having coconut water here. So she's lying in a hammock. So let's see. Let's have some business here. So these are the stalls here already packed and everywhere. So this is empty. So I think I can have here coconut water. Let's have. This is let me remind you one thing. So if it changes, then you have to give here 5 rupees, and then you have to take a bath. It's 25 rupees here. So you can get a changing room and everything else. She's cutting coconut so water here. Can I film? Okay. फिर मैं वीडियो कर सकता हूँ वीडियो ओके थैंक यू शी इज कटिंग कोकोनट हियर देखिए and you don't have here rooms if you need a room, so you have to go 1 kilometer there this side. So this side is a jungle area, that part is hillside, and there's a parking here. So very much these are the I think 900cc bikes, Indian. I'll figure out the price maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, I'll give. Wait, I'll give you money first. Okay. Money is 50. Okay. Thank you. Your name?
Tanvi.
आपका नाम?
Tanvi.
Tanvi. Thank you. So I'll be having this one here, coconut water, 50 rupees. She's a beach. So I just met some friends from Pune, so just talk to them offline, and then I asked about this BMW. It's a 1250cc. It's written here. So the price is, he told me, it's a 25 lakh, and that's another bike over there. There's a bike cost, that's a Trump 900cc bike. It's 18 lakh here, Indian price. So I can't imagine the price in Nepal. So this is the bike here, amazing. These are the riders' passion for riding bikes and everything. So India is a pretty much good road. So this bike are very much okay. So you can take a ride. It's a Tiger Trump. Okay, food stall, so you can relax and have something here. But these are all hammocks and here, everywhere. So I can connect from here to there. So it's installed here like this way. Kasit beach, really awesome. So I asked the thali is like, one of the owner told 350 rupees with one piece of fish. Awesome shacks. It's a good place. Wow, amazing. So you can have fun over there, water adventure, and then come here to eat something, anything you like. So there's a blocked. This installs are separate, so it's blocked by the hammock. So you can go from this side here. Okay. Okay, so amazing here. Lot of things, but I can't buy. Not the food is like snacks here, not the meal. Maybe available snacks, this kind of things, pav bhaji and everything. Wow. Kasit beach, awesome. So enjoying here. So I like this place, really cool. Very happening beach here in India, Alibag, Maharashtra. So I can't think what to eat. I don't know. Oh, yes, awesome. So these are the huts here. You can have drinks and everything. Coconut water. So this is the condition of my shoes. I'm walking with my shoes and socks and in the beach. So I'm here. So wait. So I'll have to go this way to my hotel. So I'm sitting here in Rohini. Came back to the same place. It's number 21. So have something. So I'm here waiting for the tuk-tuk, tum-tum to go to Nandgaon. So Mumbai is 110 kilometers from here. So written there. Alibag is 30 kilometers. So this is Kasit beach. So it's a share taxi. So let's talk to them. Nandgaon. जा beach to our homestay here in Nandgaon. So this is Bindraban here, and there's another Arya. A lot of cars here. This is Vrindavan guest house. Just side by. We stay here. These are stay here. Arya and there. Huh?